Good
Lagi
morning!
ka short, bababa ako.
Diyan, meron.
Ako.
Second day in Singapore. Ayaw gumising ni Jaco and ni Mikoy. Ay, ni Mikoy. Gising na.
Gising na ako. Kanina pa.
Yeah, we're going to have breakfast. Have breakfast natin. Ito yung binili namin kahapon sa noodles. Croissant. May Milo.
Daw, short ka dalawa.
Meron dyan. Hanapin mo na.
Boxer, down.
Meron. Wake up, Jacko. We're going to have breakfast. Here is the view from our room. It's almost 7 o'clock pero ang dilim pa rin dito. Hindi katulad sa Manila.
Lalo na dito. Moist pa.
You did give me this, right? Coco, give Debbie.
Ba't doon? Kunin niyo.
Jacko, you finish your breakfast na.
Let's go.
We're now inside the bus going to Singapore Flyer. So I think we're going to transfer papunta namang Malaysia. Pick up time is supposed to be at 8:15 pero as early as 7:30 nandito na sila. So wala pang supply.
Madali.
Oo, nagmadali ako kasi 3 pa inaasikaso ko bago ako makapag-ayos.
Pwede naman lang. Sobrang makeup maganda ka naman.
Okay. Sige. It's October 5, 7:46 in the morning and we're on our way to Singapore Flyer to go to Malaysia. Tingnan natin yung view. Sa Singapore Flyer, maaga pa. Mamaya pa kami na inaalis for Malaysia. Sarado pa rin yung mga shops kaya wala kami maikutan. Ang saya. Ang saya. Haze ba yan, Dad? You know? Haze yun, no? Sila may haze, tayo may smog.
Check natin yung
Ay, naku. I'm going inside the garden. Nasa Singapore Flyer pa rin kami. They don't wanna go with me. Di ako lang. Let's see what's inside. Wow. You can feed the fish for $1. So, kuya, you want to feed the fish? You have $1.
Baka isang food lang.
Oh,
You want to feed? Come on, feed the fish.
umad dati.
You turn the knob.
Ay, pumasok.
Dito.
Dito! Yung mga kasha.
Hindi pala kasya rin. Walang outside road. Tama po tayo sa dito.
Oo, sayang naman.
Tapos ang mula yung dapat.
Sa last day natin, we're going there. I want to take a picture here. 7-Eleven! Water. Can we bring water?
Dito isa.
Go inside, Kuya Jacko.
Mga kasama ng mga gorilla.
Rock climbing.
Rock climbing.
Enough, Kuya Jacko. Baka mahulog ka dyan.
Oh, sabay na lang. Kaya ko mag-rock.
Moxie, lapit ka dun sa pigeon.
Virgin.
Oh, let's go in. Let's go daw kaya sa subway.
Subway ba yan?
Yeah. Subway sandwiches. Di ba gusto mo mag-try ng subway? Don't like na? I found this interesting leaf plant. Yung pattern ng leaves parang camouflage.
Whirl.
Ayan o. Galing.
Whirl. Di siya ata yung di siya opposite. Whirl.
Anong world? Galing.
Whirl.
Parang first time ko na nakakita ng ganyan.
Wow. Meron tayo ng Pilipinas.
Meron ba? Parang wala akong nakikitang ganyan.
Ang dami-dami.
Ay, ito yung mga ganito. Very common sa atin.
Oo.
Meron ganyan sa atin. We're still waiting para mag 9. Okay, napagdala namin ng bag si Daddy. Itong area naman na to reminds me so much of yung Greenbelt Park. Diba Dad, no? Parang Greenbelt Park siya. Going to Malaysia.
Open ko. Baka na dyan si Barney.
And that's
Favorite ni Mama Mimi.
Thomas and Friends.
At saka si Mickey Mouse.
And that's the double-decker bus. Kasi hindi kami makakasakay dyan. Stop it, Jacko. Kanina ka pa ang gulo-gulo. Now inside the bus going to Malaysia. We're waiting for the other passengers before we leave. Mali pala kanina.
Dollar talaga.
Hindi kasi kanina sabi sabi ko na sa Malaysia na tayo maliban na. So, ngayon pa lang tayo nasa immigration. We are already cleared. So, officially, we're here in Malaysia. Totoo na to. Yun lang. Tapos na kami sa Legoland.
Legoland.
Tayo pa rin ang Kuala Lumpur dito. 324 kilometers.
Okay, so on your right hand side, you can see the Legoland already. So this Legoland actually is the first in the Asia country. Okay, first of all, you can see the Legoland Park. Okay, the white color buildings, the Legoland Hotel, and the right at the corner there is a water park. Okay, if your tickets behind, they have a words combo. This means that you have both Legoland Park and the water park. So for both Legoland Park and the water park, it's all per entry basis. So if without the words combo, it means that you only have a Legoland Spa. Okay, if you have a
We're in Legoland! Hazy kasi, kaya hindi makita pa. We have to look for a money changer.
No, the $4 will be.
That's the Legoland Hotel.
Hindi naman tayo papasok dyan.
We are going to have lunch first before we enter Legoland. So, kahanap kami ng makakainan. Burger King, KFC, what else is here? We also need to ask kung tumatanggap sila ng Singaporean dollars kasi wala pa kaming ringgit. So, sana mayroong money changer. Shopping muna si Daddy.
Oh.
Ang rice slok ko. Yan. Ang sarap ko.
Local products.
Ha?
Kapitan local products. Local products ng Malaysia.
Sa Philippines. Si Kapitan eh. Bobo boy.
Pancake house.
I'm hungry. I know. Except.
cell phone cases. Ayan o, gusto niya secret recipe.
Hindi, money changer muna. Diyan ko nakapagpapal ng pera.
Hindi. We will ask kung nag-accept sila ng ano.
Wala. Ayun na dami.
Bunny
May
robot.
kanin. Doon na. Kanin lang.
Inigos.
Ayun ang mechanic din.
Ay, muna. Kaso sa akin wala dito.
Let's ask the information. Information counter ba yan, Dad?
Oo.
Ayan, let's go. Is it there? Smile. Okay. Yes. Rice.
Gusto mo ba burger?
What?
Oh, sige na, let's go na para mabilis. Sayang yung
Let's
time
go.
eh.
May pancake house din.
Kaya nga eh. Burger ba gusto mo? Nandun. Gusto mo pancake house?
Ang pancake ba nandun?
Meron. Pasta.
20 times 8.
How much is that? Alam mo yung mat.
1,000.
Ano ba yun?
Ay,
Oh?
maraming shoes. Hindi na taksan tayo pag punta sa Singapore.
Eh, di suot.
Decor lang naman, di ba? Saka,
Hmm.
yung sapatos ko mo.
Gusto naman, nakataka-slippers.
Dati kay. Dati sa mama.
Let's eat muna. Hungry na ako. What's that?
Sa the camera.
I-check mo muna.
Eat muna. Ano
Ay, yun na. Saan ba tayo? Pancake House, Burger King. Pancake House. Pancake House talaga. Ayan o.
Buta ko.
You want that? Ay,
You
may
want?
spaghetti rin o. Oh, let's go.